Hi guys, my name is Akanksha and I am a fashion and beauty blogger. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get this beautiful glam. It's super easy. It's like a copper glam with a little pop of color. It is super simple and every product I'm going to use in this video is available on LimeRoad. So you can easily go and buy those. Let's get into the video. So my foundation and concealer is laid down and I even set my face. So now let's start with lips. Like I just want to add a little color to my lips because I feel too pale. So I'm going in with the Wet n Wild lip liner in chestnut and I'm just going to line my lips with it. Always bring your liner to the center of your lip. Don't just draw a line. So because when you add the lipstick, it should look very blended and not just like a line outside the lip. Next, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Last lipstick in the shade Sandstorm. Next, I want to add a little dimension and color to my face. So I'm going to take the Sugar Cosmetics palette. This is Contour the Face palette in Vivid Victory. So it has a bronzer, a highlighter and a blush. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, take a little bronzer. This bronzer is quite pigmented, so a little goes a long way. So just lightly tap on the areas I need. Always go in with the light hand and then you can always build it up. Then I'm going into the blush. I'm just going to slightly apply, like smile and apply on the apples of my cheek and blend it into the bronzer. Don't just leave like a pink patch. So the face is looking pretty good. Now let's move on to the eyes. This is the best part. Now I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette in Fortune Favors the Brave. My eyes are already prepped with a concealer, so I'm just going to directly apply the eyeshadow. Now always first go in with the transition shade because it makes it easier to blend the other shades, especially if you're a beginner. Now I'm just going in with this shade right here and I'm just going to lay that all over my crease. It just make everything look very blended. I'm going to take this shade and I'm just going to deepen the crease even more with the dark brown. I'm going to take the same two colors on my lower lash as well. So I'm just going to take these two shades, this, and I'm just going to apply it all over my lid. Then I'm again going in with that brown shade and just blending the edges. Next, I'm taking this black shade. I'm just going to take that black shade and apply on my lash line. It's just going to give a very good finish when I apply false lashes. To add a little color and a little fun, I'm just going to take this blue shade. Now we'll add falsies from Kingdom of Lashes in Buttercup. Super natural looking lashes, like you can't even see like they're on me, right? Now let's just add a little eyebrow bone and an inner corner highlight and we'll be done right here. So that's it, you guys. Like, it's that quick and easy, and I like each and every product I used in this video. You can shop all of them on LimeRoad. So if you like the video, you can share it with your friends. You can download the LimeRoad app and you can buy all the products I've used. And that's it for now. Bye.